Okay, and welcome to today's episode of How the Fuck Did I Not Know This? So we're all used to the view cube. You want to view it from there, that's fine. Go up here, or we're used to arrow keys, rotate it. Alt plus arrow keys, rotates it that way. Control plus arrow keys, scoots it about. However, I was not aware of this. If you middle click on a surface, you set your frame of rotation. Sorry, on a vertex of an edge. If you click on this edge, it rotates about that edge. Or this shape. How the fuck did I not know this? I'm genuinely upset. Look at that! It used to be like, oh, look, like rotate this way a bit. If you want to rotate to like look at this end, like oh, it's gone that way. Bloody paint might stop. But you can just go, oh, you want to rotate around this point? Boom. Fuck's sake.